All right, well, here's the chickens. She says hello. Yep, this is one of them. She's curious about it. And then there's chicken number 2. She's a little more skittish. She doesn't really care much. But I'll walk around and show you the yard, show you the coop. This is the backyard. Oli's out here somewhere. Oh, look. Say hi, Oli. See? All these apple trees, cherry trees, apple tree. This is a pie cherry tree. Makes little tiny cherries. They're real sweet. Here's the back of the house. That window up there, that's my bathroom. I call it the sniper's nest. That's where I'm gonna get that raccoon that I catch. The yard, garage, more apple trees over there, all over. We got more apple trees than I can shake a stick at. So we got this picket fence around the yard. The backyard has this area cordoned off. So big cherry tree right here. This is their coop. I have a door that the whole front door opens up just to encourage them to go in and out during the day. They'll come up here. Here's where they roost at. This is what I made for them to eat out of. Just PVC pipe. That white powder is DE. They call it diatomaceous earth. It kills the bugs and worms and helps them. It's good for just about everybody and anything. But that goes up through the roof. Let's see. Turn that. You can see this is actually the door for the chickens. It just slides up and down. Real simple. So this door opens too. So I can open up the whole thing. Back here on top of the roof. Yeah, just unscrew this guy right here, and this is how I fill it up. About 4 scoops of food, and that lasts them a couple weeks. Works out pretty good. It's waterproof, it's watertight. Tightened up pretty good. Yeah. Picket fence to the back. We got an alley behind our house. It's kind of weird. More Oli. Let's see what else we going on. Here's my water for the chickens. So I bought all these are chicken nipples down here. They just come up. They tear it up. They love it. It's mess free. It's great. I hang this out here during the day, and at night I just hang it back up in the coop for them. They go to bed when they want. When they're ready to go to bed, they go get in their coop, and I come out and shut the gate for them. They poop everywhere, but who doesn't? More Oli. Here, come on. You're not going in the front yard, chicken. If you'd let them, they would. Hey, there's Lady and Ollie. This is our porch that wraps around the house. Old dog. She gets on about a leaf blowing in the wind. It should tip right over. Isn't that right, Lady? Ready to go inside? You ready to eat? You hungry, Ollie? It's the front porch. Door. It keeps going around. Let me show you this. See, this is our front door. We have a side door to the kitchen. You walk around the porch. There's another door. It makes no sense. It serves no purpose at all. It's not a back door. You can't come off and jump off and like be in the backyard or walk anywhere. You still have to walk around the porch to where the front door is and to go off. Fence, more picket fence. This is the front yard. Big apple tree. Big apple tree. Swing on there. Oli loves that swing. So here's the front of the house. Big. It's a big house. It's more house than we need. That's what we got. That's what we could find. This is the yard. This is it. I'll show you the mountain if I get a good position. We got the mountain, the Olympic Mountains behind us on the other side of that house right there. Upstairs I can show you out there. You can see the mountains. On the back side of the house you can see the Strait in Canada. Alrighty.